In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make notebooks and notes available offline in Evernote on mobile. If you want to keep using Evernote even when you don't have a reliable internet connection, this is a really useful feature to know. Making content available offline lets you access important notebooks and notes while traveling, commuting, or anytime your signal is weak. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose whether you want an entire notebook saved offline or just a single note. Start by opening the Evernote app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, go to the navigation menu and tap Notebooks. This will show you the list of notebooks in your account. From here, select the notebook you want to keep offline. Choose the one that contains the notes you know you'll need access to when you're not connected to the internet. After opening that notebook, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the Notebook Options menu. In that menu, turn on Available Offline. As soon as you enable it, Evernote will begin downloading the notebook to your device. Depending on the size of the notebook and your connection speed, this may take a little time. Once the download is complete, that notebook will be available even when you're offline, which means you can open and read its contents without needing internet access. If you don't need an entire notebook offline, Evernote also lets you save just one note. This can be helpful if you only need a specific document, checklist, or reference note and want to save storage space on your device. To do that, open the specific note you want to access offline. Once the note is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner again to open the note options. Then select Make Available Offline. After that, wait for the note to finish downloading. It's a good idea to stay in the app for a moment and give it time to complete, especially if the note includes images or attachments. Once the download is finished, you'll be able to view that note without an internet connection. And that's it. Whether you save a full notebook or just a single note, offline access in Evernote is a simple way to make sure your important information is always available when you need it.